So I'm going to be talking about information communication technology. And as I introduced myself before, I'm Pratita Sumani. I teach on level 2 and level 3 ICT courses. And I'm going to go through the course information with you, and then we're going to go through questions and answers. So at college, we offer two levels of ICT programs, level 2 and level 3. So level 2 is known as Btec Level 2 in IT, and it's diploma level course. And the entry requirements are 4 GCSEs at grade 3 in academic subjects, or if a learner has done level 1 and achieved a diploma or merit grade, then we can enroll them on level 2. And minimum of level 1 functional skills, English and maths. So what happens at level 2 is they can retake the English and maths if they haven't achieved it. And the units that we deliver for level 2 is the online world, which is an externally assessed unit. And the unit is about internet. So we look at internet technologies, software that is required for the online world, and how internet is used for education, e-commerce, banking, etc. The second unit that we deliver is known as technology systems. And here we look at the hardware, software that is related to IT, and we look at technology for various different devices and systems. And then the third unit is about digital portfolio. So this is where students complete a website and its portfolio about themselves. So it's kind of like a CV portfolio, but it's created in a web page, website format. Then another unit we do is software development, and that is the programming unit where students learn about Visual Basic and Python. And we also deliver a unit on mobile apps where students design and create a mobile app for an education purpose. It's an interesting unit. Then we deliver spreadsheets and databases. So students create a database for a pizza shop, or this is what they're doing this year. So create a database system, an appointment system, a booking system. So depends on the scenario. And then they also complete a unit on networking and spreadsheets. So this is level 2. So students who complete level 2 can progress on to level 3. So I'm going to talk about level 3 now. So the level 3, the entry criteria is 5 GCSEs. That should include maths and English, grade 4 and above. Or if a student has completed level 2 and has achieved a merit grade, and achieved GCSE maths and English, or one or the other. So they could retake one of the subject with us, and again, suitable academic reference. So again, the units that we deliver at level 3 are again information technology systems. So again, advanced technology system that we deliver at level 2. So at level 3, it's at higher level. And then we look at another unit, which is creating systems to manage information. So for this unit, a system is created, and an exam. This is an externally assessed unit where students complete this system, and in the exam, questions are based on the system that they've created. So it's an externally assessed unit. Then we do a unit on social media, so where students need to sort of plan and develop a social media advertising campaign, and then look at how that campaign is delivered, and get some analysis of their posting that they set up for a business. Um, we look at cybersecurity, so look at security issues of computer systems for a client. So for that unit, students also go on a day's event where they sort of um, s- go and do some work experience and kind of like hands-on activities. Another unit that we deliver is computer games development. So students design and create games using games editor software. So students love that, and high level of programming involved there. So we use Python and Visual Basic software there to create the computer games. And then we look at a unit called IT project management, which is managing ICT projects. So we look at systems analysis and design. So we look at various stages of the project systems of IT. And then another unit of programming. So again, we look at C++, Java, Python, and various programming languages. Mobile applications where students create mobile apps that are used for both platforms, Apple and Android. Um, Another unit at level 3 we do is website development, where students create the website. So that's HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And then digital graphics and animation. So those are interesting units that go along with the web development. So that's at level 3. And the progression from level 3, students go on to university. So 95% of our students go on to university. Some take on apprenticeships, some find employment. So the type of courses students apply for universities are cybersecurity, computer science, information technology, networking, website production. So IT is it's a large area, so the choice is endless. There's so many different courses available in IT and computing. So this year we've got about 30 students on level 3. About 25 are going on to university, and some are going to Aston, Brunel, Hertfordshire, Middlesex, City University. So it varies where they want to study and what platform they want to study. So yes, so these are the courses our students of enroll at university. And for apprenticeship, we have Read Employment, where they find the work experience for students, as well as apprenticeship opportunities with employers. So it's a good progression for students. And some of the questions that can I enroll on study program even though I am 19 plus? We are from coming September, we are offering a level 3 program for 19 plus age students. That's going to be in the evenings. And yes, if you are 19 plus, you can enroll on the course program. That's not a problem. Can I combine A-level subjects with BTEC program? Some of our students do, but I must say that the workload really increases. Uh, we've had some students in past do A-level maths as well as ICT BTEC course, because obviously ICT and maths go along. And it's fine. Students who can cope with the workload, that's really good. But the entry criteria for A-level maths, if the student wants to do BTEC along with A-level, is you need to have GCSE grade B in order to do the A-level. So with the BTEC, so the criteria is grade B of GCSE in maths. Third question, do I come to college 5 days a week? No, the course is about 20 hours maximum, so it would be about 2.5 days, about 3 days. Can I get a part-time job while studying? Of course, you can. So many of our students work part-time as well as studying. And if they can cope with the course, that's really good. And many of our students do that, and it's not a problem. So if it fits with their timetable, there's no reason why they shouldn't find a part-time job. And can I get an apprenticeship job when I graduate? So yes, once completing level 3 course, a student can go into an apprenticeship program if they want to, if they don't want to go to university, which is fine. And the contact details are here. So David Havley is the departmental manager. He looks after business and ICT courses. So this is email address. Nikki is the departmental supervisor. So she looks after all the quality side of the courses. And that's her email address. And it's me, Pratija. I'm a teacher on the ICT programs. So if you have any questions. Yes, so question 1 is from Grace Lai. Hello, Grace. Your question is, I'm very interested in IT. How can I apply it and free of charge? So again, just want to, okay, I'll answer your question. Okay, so what you can do is you can apply online, and if you're age below 18, you shouldn't have to pay. But if you're over the age of 19, I believe you have to pay. So yes, so apply online. I would say put in your application first, and then we can take it on from there. So you can either apply online, or you can come to college and apply. So you can just come to reception and put in your application. Is it at, so that's done. Is it at Colindon campus to take this course? No, I'm afraid. The ICT courses are offered at 2 campuses. With the first one is at Wood Street, and the second site is at Southgate. I'm afraid we did offer it at Colindale, but not anymore. So you would need to travel to our Wood Street branch, because Wood Street is nearer to Colindale. I think there is one bus journey, 107. So you wouldn't have that much of a problem with travel. Okay. How much work experience do we do at level 3? So work experience, 2 weeks. This is the question from Jirgana. I don't know if I've pronounced your name correctly. So the work experience is 1 week, plus there are additional days where we visit the employer events. So, but the work experience mostly is for 1 week. Yeah. Okay, next question, Diana. I am an ESOL Business Level 1 student. Can I apply for a Level 2 course? Yes, of course you can. Diana, of course you can apply for the Level 2 course, as long as you achieve your Business Level 1 qualification with a merit grade, and you pass your functional skills, English and maths examinations. Yes, you can. Yeah. Next question, Ekaterina. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name. How much is the price for 18 plus students? If you look at our prospectus, that should give you the price, or if you go online on our website, you will be able to see the cost of the course. Yeah. Yes, so the cost of the course, if you go online or check our prospectus, you will be able to see the prices for the course. Yeah. Next question, Melinda, you're age 19 from outside of UK. How much will it cost for a year? So again, I'm not sure the exact amount of the fees, but please go on our website, or you can call us on the college's number. So if you ring, we will be able to answer the question. Or if you go online, you will be able to see the cost of the course, or do give us a call and we'll be able to answer your query. Just ask for admissions and they'll be able to answer your query. Yeah. Next question from Alison. Is it a 2-year course, and would the qualification alone get me into the university? Yes, so level 3 is good question. So level 3 is a 2-year program. So 2-year program, there are 6 units that you do for the first year. And for the second year, you do the 6 units. So in total, you do 12 units over 2 years. Sorry, Alison. Yes, so the level 3 course is for 2 years, 12 units over 2 years. So 6 units on the first year, 6 units on the second year. And the progression is to university or employment or an apprenticeship. So, yeah. Michael, so I am interested in IT. Would course should I apply for? I'm 20 years old and get university, move up, and bridging would. Okay, so I didn't get the in IT would course, which course? Okay, so Michael, I've just read your question. It depends on your entry qualifications. So if you've got 4 GCSEs, grade 4 and above, with English and maths, then by all means, you can apply for the level 3 course. Otherwise, I would suggest you apply for the level 2 course, and then we can take it on from there and see what your entry qualifications are. Yeah. Kate. Okay, so you didn't get the part where you were where I was explaining the requirements for the level 3 course, but do I need to have maths GCSE to apply for level 3 course? So Kate, okay, so my answer to your question is, if you don't have GCSE maths, but you have GCSE English, then by all means, we can look at your application for level 3. As long as you've done level 2 of the Btec course, or you've got other GCSEs, but not maths. So if you've got 4 GCSEs that includes English, by all means, you can apply for level 3, and then you can retake your maths when you're doing your Btec level 3. I hope that answers your question. If it doesn't, just send the question again, and then I'll see if I can answer it. Yeah. But yeah, so for level 3 course, you need to have either level 2 Btec or 4 GCSEs at grade 4 and above. and that should include English and maths. But if you haven't got maths, you can, by all means, we can consider your application where you can retake your maths, but you need to have one or the other. Okay. If we do the level 3, okay, so Jirgana, if we do level 3, do we need to do any other courses with it? Okay, Jirgana, your question is, if you do level 3 course, do we need to do any other courses with it? No, because the workload for level 3 is quite high. So you would not be doing any other courses with that, unless you want to retake either your maths or English if you got, but our entry criteria is GCSEs grade 4 and above. So if you've got, say, if maths grade 3 and you just sort of missed out by few marks into getting into 4, then yes, we would consider your application and you could retake that subject along with the level 3 ICT course. Yeah. Daniel, can you retake GCSEs for level? Daniel, your question about can you retake your GCSEs? If you take, if you apply for level 2 and you got the 4 GCSEs at grade 3 and above, then yes, you can retake them, but not at level 3, I'm afraid, because the workload is quite high and the requirements for the course are quite high. So for level 2, yes. Is maths heavily required for this course? So Jared, your question, is maths heavily required for this course? If you got grade 4, then that should be fine. That should be fine. If you got grade 3, but strong other GCSE subject grades, then we can consider your application. Yeah. Iyad Ali, what should we expect to do day in, day out, and how will we know which campus? Okay, so campus, you choose the campus which is suitable for you to travel to. So as I mentioned, ICT courses we offer at our Wood Street campus as well as our Southgate campus. So we offer the same courses at both sites. So it's entirely up to you which campus you choose between the two. Yeah. Okay, Suraya, so your question is, hi all, I have experience over 10 years about accountant. However, I would like to improve my English about IT and accountants. So is it okay with the ICT course? Okay, so Suraya, your question is about IT, that goes along, improve my English about IT and accountant. Okay, so Suraya, I'm only talking about ICT courses. So for improving English, I think it's best if you speak to somebody in ESOL department, because they do have some courses which are relating to business. So best thing to do is to speak to the business department, because our courses are full-time level 2, level 3 courses. And for level 3, we need good command of English. Okay. So Hikam, I have work experience for around 5 years in building networks such as IAN, LAN and WAN, but I haven't worked or studied since 10 years. Would like to come back and study networking. Would I be able to do that? Okay, Hikam, right, okay, regarding networking, there is a course at our Southgate branch. so you can apply. The information will be available in part-time prospectus. So look out for online prospectus. You will be able to see the information about that networking course. So if you check our part-time prospectus, you will be able to see the course about networking there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so Lubna, is the course for 19 plus individuals free? I'm not sure about the fee status fully. So best thing to do is apply for the course and then we can take it on from there. But I believe there is going to be, for next year, there is going to be level 3 course, I've been told, that may be offered in the evenings. So that might be available. But regarding the fees, I think the best thing to do is if you look at our prospectus and have a look at the cost of the course for 19 plus. But I believe it also depends on your status as well. So if you're on benefits or if you're on special income, then you may not need to pay the fees. But the best thing to do is ring our admissions department and they'll be able to answer your question. Okay. So Iyad Ali, what are some of the main differences in learning level 3 IT software and level 3 hardware, as I believe hardware is done at Southgate campus? Okay, so yes, so we've got Cisco Academy programs at Southgate. So regarding the networking, we do offer the hardware-based courses at Southgate, and software, so software development, mainly programming at Wood Street and some of the networking at Southgate. So I would say it's the same course at level 3, but we choose different units. So at Southgate, they choose the units that are based on hardware. And at Wood Street, we choose the units that are more kind of like graphics, animations and programming. So the choice is yours. Yeah. Okay. What programming languages will be covered on this course? So Melinda, hi. So your question about what programming language. So we use Python and we use Visual Basic. We use C++. And for website development, we use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Michael, is this correct course, Btec Level 2 Information Creative? Yes. Yes, Michael, this is the correct course, Btec Level 2. Yeah. So again, for the level 2, there are about 6 units, and out of the 6 units, 2 are externally assessed. So the exams are based in January. Yeah, yeah, so correct, the course is correct, yeah. Danielle, if I get a grade 3 for maths and English, can I apply for level 2? Of course, yes, yes you can, yes you can. As long as you've got maths and English at grade 3, yes you can. And obviously we look for other GCSE subjects as well. So that would really support you in the education, in your completing the level 2. But yes, if you've got grade 3 at maths and English, definitely yes. Okay, George, what qualifications will you accept other than GCSEs? So if you want to apply for level 3 course, George, then we expect you to have the level 2 ICT course at a merit grade. So that's the other entry criteria, Btec level 2. Yeah. And Melinda, could you please give us a link to find the course fees online? Okay, Melinda. Okay, so what I will do is, Melinda, if you can send me your email address, I will send the link to the course fees to you. Would it be level 2 or level 3? So if you could please send me your email address or your contact number, where I'll get somebody to give you a call. Okay, Ariel, your question is, I have 4 GCSEs graded 4 and above, but only level 1 Btec. Is that enough to get you on the course? Hello, Ariel. Yes, you have 4 GCSEs graded 4 and above. I just want to know if you've got maths and English. If you've got maths and English, yes. Yes, Ariel, yes, definitely. If you got maths and English, then yes, you can apply for the level 3 course. Okay.
Okay, Pratita, would you like to read out your email address again, just for the people who'd like to email you?
Yes, okay. So my email address is pratita.samani@barnettsouthgate.ac.uk. So I'm going to spell it out. I could really, Mark, can I share my screen and sort of show my email address? Okay, so it's Pratita, Pratita dot Samani, SAMANI at barnettsouthgate.ac.uk. Okay, so next question, what can we expect the schedule to look like for level 3? Okay, Iyad Ali, hello, your question, what can we expect the schedule to look like level 3 under 19? So schedule, I don't know what you mean by schedule. Is it to do with the timetable or schedule of the units? So if you're looking at the timetable, the course would be for about 3.5 days. Regarding the schedule, what we deliver is for level 3, the course is over 2 years. The first year, you'll complete 6 units. Second year, you complete the second 6 units. And for the first year, for each year, the 6 units are divided into semesters. So we have 2 semesters in college. So semester 1, you would be completing the first 3 units, and then second semester, the second 3 units. So the semester works out as starting from September until March is first semester, and then March till end of June would be the second semester. So that's how the schedule works. Yeah. Jirgana, so if we have the required grades, what are the chances we will get into the course? So, so Jirgana, so if you've got the entry grades, your chances for you to get into the course, my advice to you is put in your application as early as possible. So the sooner you put in your application, sooner you'll be sort of interviewed and given a conditional offer. So I would say just apply, and we can take it on from there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. So
I think Daniel had asked what time that the courses start. because he lives quite a way away from Wood Street.
Oh, okay, right. Okay, so the timetable, the course starts at 9 o'clock and would finish at 5. And at times, it depends how the timetable works out. Sometimes you may finish at 12:30. So you start at 9, finish at 12:30. Some days you start in the afternoon, so it could be starting at 1 o'clock and finishing at 5. So it all depends how the timetable works out. Yeah.
Okay, well, we've come to the end of our webinar for this evening. So thanks everyone for coming, and thank you, Pratita.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, and hope to see you soon, and just complete your applications. Thank you.